Hey everyone, it's Katie here and I'm back with another video. So for this video, I decided to do a DIY of Christmas DIY. So this will be the first video of my, I guess, Christmas series, which is kind of exciting because Christmas is so soon. So it is the end of November and this is typically the time where people decide to send out Christmas cards. And kind of with that in mind and my family starting to write and do some Christmas cards, I thought it would be really fun to show you guys 3 super easy DIY Christmas cards if you don't want to go and spend like $20 or $30 on a box of Christmas cards and you just kind of want to make it more special and homemade. These 3 Christmas cards that I'm going to show you are literally so easy. They only take a couple minutes to make. And they do look really cute and festive and awesome at the end of it once you are finished doing them all. Every single Christmas card that I will be showing you includes buttons. If you have any buttons like left over, or you went to the craft store, have so many buttons or whatever, all these Christmas cards do include buttons, so this is a good way to, I guess, I don't know, get rid of buttons. Super cute, super fun, super easy, and let's get right into the DIY. For all 3 of the Christmas cards we are going to make, you will need 3 pieces of paper, 2 white and a brown, some buttons, a paintbrush, white acrylic paint, craft glue, and a black permanent marker. For the first card, you will go ahead and fold a white piece of paper in half. Now taking any color buttons, you will go ahead and glue them onto the paper. I decided to do a 1 higher, 1 lower pattern, but you can honestly place these buttons however you would like on the paper. Once those are glued on, taking a ruler or you can freehand it, you can draw a line from the top of the button to the top of the page. Now drawing a little bow on the string. Now you have your Belle Christmas card. For the second Christmas card we are going to make, you will go ahead and fold a white piece of paper in half. Now taking 3 red buttons, glue them on the white piece of paper in a straight line, leaving some room in between the buttons. Once those are glued on, take your permanent marker and write the letter H before each button. And then you have your Ho 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 Christmas card. For the last DIY Christmas card, you will take your brown piece of paper and fold it in half. Taking 2 white buttons, 1 small one and 1 big one, you will glue them on to the lower right-hand corner of the paper, placing the small button to the top of the big button. Now take your white acrylic paint and place some dots on your paper. Now take your marker and write a holiday message in the bottom left corner. And here's your snowman Christmas card. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Make sure to go give this video a thumbs up and make sure to go subscribe to my channel. You just gotta click that button down below. And if you would like, you can put on my post notifications. Gotta click that bell button and you'll be notified for every single time I post a video. Also, one quick thing I would like to mention, I do get comments and messages from people asking for shoutouts in my videos. And I do like to give shoutouts and help other people. So if you would like a shoutout in one of my videos, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and comment down below when you are done. If you want a shoutout, those 3 steps is all you gotta do. Make sure to go follow me on my social medias as well. You just gotta click those links in the description below. If you recreate any of them, you can always comment down below how they turned out. Or you can tag me or send me a photo of them as well because I would love to see your recreations. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!